So this is what I call Magic77. Basically it's a computer control for your Revox A77, and all you need to do is to just plug in the remote control plug and place this device on your tape machine. It requires no modification on the tape machine itself. So what can it do for you? Well, let's power it on. Well, it gives you a display with a digital tape counter, some real-time functionality. Currently this display is only displaying the current system time, and it requires some interpolation stuff, etc. to provide a real-time display, and you can use the system to control it just by a remote. So currently only the hardware is working, the software is at the early beginning, but the system will give you another few features. For example this. Stay tuned, guys.